Theo called Jackson out by name and said it's a boarded up ghost town.
So that was just a clip from the Clay Edwards show where he was talking about how Theo Vaughn and Mike Rowe from Dirty Jobs were talking about some of the tariff issues that are going on right now in America and the fact that places like Jackson, Mississippi are like ghost towns when you walk through them. Here's a solution I have and something that I think would work pretty good. We've got this whole thing where people are working from home and now they're not allowed to. Of course, there's a major reason for that. If people are working from home, that means that they're not going to the office space, which means now commercial and office space is now valued at less because nobody wants to use it. So unfortunately, when a large majority of people invest in real estate and a lot of that's tied up in commercial real estate and offices and factories, you need people to use those so that it still maintains value. Otherwise, everyone's going to go bankrupt because of all these properties. But if you can work from home, if there's a way to incentivize people to move away from the large city centers, like I'm here in Kitchener-Waterloo area, Southern Ontario, we keep building more and more high rises downtown. So we are continually ripping up the roads, putting in new sewer mains, new water mains, bringing more services into the city to help maintain what people think is overpopulation. Now, obviously, we're far from being overpopulated here, but there's a lot of congestion and a lot of people coming into town. We have to service them somehow. Now, we have cities all over the place, all over North America, all over the world, that are being underutilized and underused right now. So if those people who can work from home, if we can get them to move to these smaller towns, incentivize them somehow, property tax discounts, utility discounts, we need people to move to these places because there are houses, there are buildings there that are slowly deteriorating because nobody's living in them, especially with things in the high humidity areas. If you don't got circulation and ventilation going on in your houses, unfortunately, they're going to start molding real fast. Roofs are going to start caving in eventually. So we move those people to those areas where they can. They're going to have more space. They're going to have in most cases, probably a happier life without the hustle and bustle of being downtown. We reduce the amount of people that are living in town. And on top of that, if you want to open up a restaurant or a boutique store, what better place to open it up than these small towns where you do have people who maybe are executives or they have higher paying jobs or just people in general that are looking for something else to do in town. So all of a sudden you can open up a couple restaurants and a couple stores. You don't have that huge amount of competition that you'd have if you're opening up in like a place like Toronto or New York or even outside of places, smaller city like Rochester, where I am here in Kitchener-Waterloo, just thinking about different places. Less competition. You've got people spread out, so there's less demand on everybody. And I think it's a great idea. So let me know your thoughts and what you guys think. And check out the Clay Edwards, his discussion on there, or check out Theo Vaughn for his discussion on Mike Rowe as well. And let me know your thoughts.